Tom came here, I think you came a couple of times, and
Yes.
then you recommended a certain window. And then we made a change. I can't remember what that was based on.
Grids. You
Oh,
were concerned about the grids.
right, I didn't want them to look full.
Yeah.
That was one of the big issues.
That was a major.
And then, I don't remember if you were here, he was here several times.
Right.
Dropping in to see how things were going.
Yeah.
Another issue was the depth.
Yep, of the sill.
We kind of had to adjust, or you had to adjust the installation plans,
We
right?
actually made that window on site. Okay, so that's typically when you order a window, it's made at the factory. So this is a bay, 3 sections, and it comes in 1 unit. So what we did to accommodate what Louise wanted, which is an extended sill, which if you look at it is very, very deep. And it had an existing stone, I believe, on the exterior,
Like corbels.
corbels with a support.
Oh,
And what you don't want to do is create a different look on the exterior either, because that looks horrible. So we decided to build it on the site. So we bought 3 windows, manufactured it, bought a head seat jamb, which I don't know if you noticed all those
I didn't pay attention.
It actually is something that not everybody can do and offer, but that was the only way we could accommodate her request.
Yeah, that depth was real important.
Yeah,
Right.
and so, we take a lot of pride in doing things like that. It's a 1 out of 20 jobs that you might come across that you need to do that. But when it's all done, you get exactly what you want. And that, in this case, was exactly what you wanted.
Exactly what I wanted.
Meeting your expectations is very important. And we're glad we did. And
So
we're
am I.
happy to do it
So
that
am I.
way, too. You know what I'm saying? It really is. It's fun. It's fun. The guys like that. So the challenge of an older home is significant. For example, we left your roof in place, if you recall.
Yes.
That's a trick in itself to keep the existing look of the home, because she's got copper roof, I believe.
There's copper trim around
Copper
it,
trim, and which is really expensive, but it's also part of the home, and it looks wonderful. And you start fiddling with that stuff, and you end up with a lot of hassles. So, again, this was on a 1 to 10. This was a 12 in terms of challenge. But the team that you have is like
you didn't make it
old
seem
world.
like it was. It seemed like it came really easy.
Well, I'm comfortable, and that's part of what makes
yeah.
me perhaps a little bit easier for me to convey what we can do for you without you fretting. Because truly, if I would explain everything to you, you probably could have fretted and maybe not have done it. But truly, it came out exactly the way we planned. So, we're excited.
Me too.